Hi guys, welcome back to Lavenderpolish. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these two different styles of this old raindrop design that I think look really cool. I'm going to be showing you one that I think looks a bit more like sort of galaxy spots. I've had some comments saying that they're like spider eyes, and this one which is more like the classic raindrop design but just on a lighter base, which I think adds a really pretty touch to it. Alright, let's get started. For the first design, we're taking my favorite one coat black, which is Little Black Dress by Live Love Polish. It goes on so smoothly and it's such a thin coat, you guys, it's amazing. I have not gone back since I found this, albeit it was only a few months ago, but she's my baby now. Next, we're going to cover the whole thing up with a nice thick coat of a gel top coat. Now you do need to have a gel top coat to do these designs, otherwise you don't get the same 3D effect that you normally would. You can get them for pretty cheap on Amazon or other stores like that, so go grab one of those and then head right back over here. Once you've cured the top coat, it should be nice and hard, and then what you're going to do is add another coat of nail polish of your choice. I'm choosing Eclipse by ILNP, and I'm actually using the hollow version just because I thought that it would add an extra sort of fun element to everything. Also, I mean, it's Eclipse, it's like the most beautiful multichrome out there. I would recommend a multichrome because they just look stunning. Anyways, now we're going to take some more gel top coat and a little dotting tool, and we are going to just start dropping on little bits of polish all over the place, and the goal is to sort of make it look random, a little bit like raindrops. I would highly recommend not just doing a bunch of round circles, make everything sort of slip and slide all over the place, you know. Raindrops aren't all perfectly spherical, so let them sort of drip down your nail a little bit. Get some big ones, get some small ones. I wouldn't recommend going too big, but have fun with it. This is actually like the greatest part of the design. Anyways, once you're done with that, cure it under an LED light and you have this funky looking thing afterwards. Now the way that you get the effect of this particular design is by taking a cotton pad soaked in acetone and rubbing off all the nail polish. Now everything that's covered by a top coat will be immune to it, so the black underneath and the little raindrops that are covering Eclipse will be absolutely fine. But the bits of Eclipse that are out in the open will just get washed away completely, which gives you this really cool black base with these 3D sort of galaxy looking spots on top. Oh my goodness, I think it's just the coolest thing ever. I just think it's the coolest thing ever, is it not? Like, I was wearing this for such a long time, I was just staring at it constantly. And the fact that it was Eclipse as well made it so much better because Eclipse shifts so beautifully and so effortlessly. Oh my god, I loved it. I mean, I loved it. I loved it so much. But anyways, on to the second design. I'm going to use ILNP's Vanish, which I think is another one of my favorite polishes of theirs. This is this really like muted gray, tinge of brown color with a very slight holographic sparkle throughout, and I just think it's stunning. It does go on a little bit thick, as you can see here, but oh my god, it's beautiful. Just appreciate it. Take a minute to look at that. Anyways, we're going to spice it up a little bit with Holotaco's Solar Unicorn Skin, which is made up of gorgeous iridescent flakes that shine from orange to yellow depending on the angle of the light. And I think over such a light base such as this, it just really makes the whole thing pop. Now we are going to put a matte top coat on top. Now I'm using a gel one because it doesn't have any white spots and because it obviously dries really easily, so I wouldn't have to wait too much in between doing the design. But you can just use any regular old matte top coat that you have here. The gel is not a requirement. Anyways, once that's on and looking beautiful, you do need a proper gel top coat, just like last time, and we're going to rinse and repeat it with the rules, and we are just going to apply all these raindrops all over our nails. Again, I like to make sure to keep them sort of asymmetrical, not all circular. I did a very big drop down here at the base. I thought that looked kind of funky. And I'm just going to tune out for a little bit and let you guys watch. Here's the final result. You get these really cool look with the matte background and the glossy raindrops that show off the iridescent effects of the base coats, and I think that it just looks gorgeous. Now unfortunately I don't actually have any proper videos of these because the files got messed up, but here are some photos that are over on my Instagram that I think look really cool. This effect is one of the lighter ones. Usually this sort of thing is done with really dark colors like this, but I thought that the light ones actually added sort of a sophistication to the design. I don't know, I thought it was really cool. Anyways, here's another look at the spider eye version. And by the way, speaking of my Instagram, like, if you're not following me on there, you really should be. It's a lot of fun over there. We have a great time. You get a first look at all the photos and tutorials. Go on, go follow me, go do it. It'll be great. Anyways, I think that's about all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys thought of this. I got a lot of comments on my Instagram saying that people want to try this and they want to do their own version of this, and I'm challenging you to do that. I really want to see it. I think that this is such a cool design. I loved seeing it years ago when it was more popular. We should bring it back. Let's do it. Alright. Let me know what you guys thought as usual, and I'll see you later. Bye!